Hi, my name is Siddha, and I'm here to talk about our good friend, Peter Yenniskins, who is the meteor shower expert, and he founded CAMS, or Cameras for All Sky Meteor Surveillance Project, in an effort to scale meteor observations all around the world. He started with a single CAMS camera station at the Lick Observatory in California, and he would drive to and fro the Lick Observatory, get the hard drives which contained the video recordings from the cameras, and then watch hours of seemingly uneventful footage of darkness in search of that momentary streak of light, which could potentially be a meteor. Now that's a lot of work. So a team of citizen scientists got together and reimagined this whole process. We built the CAMS software that transfers data. So we saved an incredible amount of time and, of course, carbon emissions. We trained an AI model that replicated the scientists' thought process to distinguish meteors from other objects in the night sky. And we built a user-centered visualization that displayed night activity from all over the world within your browser. This visualization is also a technique to validate the results of our AI models. And as a result of the seamless new user experience, the CAMS network grew globally with a 5 times increase in the number of cameras. So far, CAMS has identified the most number of meteors detected in a single night in NASA's 64-year history. It has provided the first ever instrumental evidence for the Grigg-Mellish comet. And more recently, as the last month, discovered the Perseids filament. And of course, CAMS has enabled scientists to predict the parent bodies of the detected meteor showers. And there are so many more stories of discoveries by the CAMS camera network that I encourage you to read on our Wikipedia page. And of course, all of this has made Peter very happy. Thank you.